YouTube? How's it going? Welcome to Time Lapse Tuesday. And today we are going to be repairing and restoring these old leather boots that I've been wearing for a long time. So as you can see, they're all nicked up and have some scuff on the leather. So today on Time Lapse Tuesday, we're going to be resealing them and polishing them to make them look all clean. Alrighty, so there you have it, YouTube. We have the before and after of cleaning the boots and then putting leather seal on them and shining them up. And there you have it. That's super easy to restore your boots that you wear on the farm or something. Super quick. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. You are how I make these videos. Without you, it would not be possible. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing because I'm going to be putting out content just like this video every single week, and I think you'll like it a lot. So thanks so much and have an awesome day.